My expectations are to have a good interaction with the team of MIC CETA.
Because of the impact that is assisting us in the communities.
Today we are hosting a capacity building workshop for our SDFs in the Western Cape province. We are hosting this event to guide our stakeholders on the workings of the LMS system to ensure that they are familiar with the system.
So part of the work that the CETA does in the research and skills planning is getting labour market information through our employers. So the skills development facilitators are the agents or are the bridge between the CETA and the employer.
Today's workshop was amazing, especially for our stakeholders. I felt like they engaged more into knowing how the system works and how they could navigate through the system.
As an NPO, obviously we don't partake in the skills development levy. This is important for us to see how we can actually partake in it.
What I like is the fact that the SDF manual now has the videos and everything, so it makes it much easier for people that's new to the industry or new to the CETA, so that they also get the benefit from the workshop.
We would like to thank the MIC CETA for really standing out for us in this country and for really making a difference in taking the digital technology forward.